Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about a problem named finding the maximum value of a stack. So first of all we have to know what is stack. So stack is the last in first out or LIFO data structure in which we can access only the last inserted element. So when extracting or in case of stack we say when popping, it actually deletes and returns the newly inserted element first. We can think of a stack of plates or stack of books. So when we are picking the plates or books, we are picking from the top, not from the bottom. So stack is the similar data structure that we use in computer science. So now we move on to our actual problem, how to find the maximum value of the stack. We cannot traverse a stack like we traverse an array. So in array we can traverse forward and traverse back into a array or linked list or whatever. But in case of stack we cannot access the other elements without the top. Okay, so to find the maximum value of a stack, we can use recursion here. So in every recursive call, we pop the topmost element from the stack and store it in a variable until we hit the base case. When there's only one element left, we will return that element. Okay, except from the base case, we will return the maximum value between the popped element and the element that the recursive call has returned, or the return element of the function call. So in the base case we are returning the bottom element, the bottommost element that the stack has. We're returning that, and we are comparing it to the element that is immediately at the top of the bottommost element. So after comparing, we return the maximum element, and this actually continues until we back to the point from where the function was originally called. At that point, we will have the maximum value of a stack. Before returning, we must push the popped element first because we don't want to change our stack. We have to um, preserve the state of the stack before and after the function call. We have our prototype here, max of stack, that will return the maximum element of a stack, and 10 is the maximum element of the stack here. So in the first call we have popped 2, then in the second call we will pop 5, and then there is a recursive call. In the third call we have popped 10. In the fourth call we have popped 9. In the fifth call, so this actually hits the base case when the length or size of the stack is 1, and now we have the top 1, so we will return the top element. So we will returning 1 to the fourth call. As 9 is larger than 1, so we will return 9. Before that we have popped 9 in this function, in this recursive call, and after the recursive call we have to push 9 to reserve the state of the stack. So push 9 and return the maximum 9. So then push 10 and compare 10 and 9, return 10. So then push 5 and compare 5 and 10, the maximum is 10, so return 10. So push 2 and return the maximum of 2 and 10, the answer is 10, and 10 will be returned to the point from where it was called. So now let's move on to the VS Code. This is our function and we have to complete this function. Remember one thing, that we have to pass the reference of the stack here. If we pass by value here, then it will make unnecessary copy, so it will not be space efficient. So now let's start our base case first. If the size of the stack is equals to 1, then return s dot top. Okay, so then store the value of the popped element s dot top, and then we will pop the element s dot pop. Okay, then in y we will store the returned element max of stack. We will pass the reference of the stack, and then s dot push, we have to push the element that we have popped before the recursive call. And if okay, so I can write here return the maximum element of x and y. Okay, I guess that will do the job for us. So we have stack of 1 205 3 3 89 3. So clearly the maximum element of the stack is 105, so we have to check it. Let me run, and it will return 105. And if we change the value to 15 here, then it must return 89. Yes, so let me change the value of both 15 and 89 to 3, and then yes, it will return 3. So that means our code is correct. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.